Hey guys, today's October the 23rd of 2013. I want to go over the euro and just give you my thoughts and my opinions. With that being said, just know this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. I'm just a guy that looks at trend lines, support lines, do WD Gann calculations, and just tell you what I see and forecast. But we have to just watch price action, and price action will confirm anything. So with that being said, let's get into the chart. Okay, so my forecast was October the 17th, 18, that it was gonna turn to the downside, and I had a head fake, and it just blew through this pivot high right here of the 3703, and it blew the 3710 pivot high on February the 1st. So the trend is to the upside, guys. If you do Elliott, and no, I'm not a like Elliottian, but just kind of count waves. That's one, two, and they say wave three is the biggest wave. Three, it could probably find resistance, and I'll tell you here why. Uh, Maybe do a pullback. Four, I don't know where four will go, but let's just assume somewhere around here, uh, just for sake's purposes, and then do five wherever that's going to be at, and we don't know yet. And then it'll finish one wave. Then from there, I don't know what's going to do. It could go A, you know, B, and C. Who knows? Or consolidate and continue going higher. It's all speculation right there. But this is the third wave, and I want to show you that if you do an ABC, wrong one, percentage long. Why am I doing swing long? Sorry. You got A, B, C from July 9th, August 20 high, September 6 low. You're at the 100% level right here, the 37.99, which is pretty much 3,800. So is that resistance? I don't know, but we'll see. If price action can get up there, possibly could do a retracement, which I would like to get in and maybe ride up to wave 5. So we'll see. So I just want to give you that level. Um, if we hide that and show you some retracement levels, 25, if it's strong, it'll probably hold that. But if not, 50 is always good to get in, or always, the 75%, which is at 35.52. If you do the Andrews pitchfork, you see that you got this good cross there. Mind you, holding this trend with this angle, but this is the another angle too. So it could go all the way here, angle-wise, not price-wise, or find support on this angle. So you kind of like see what's the best entry. So 36, 32, or on anywhere on this trend line right here. And if you put another one, you got a 25 right here, and then you got the 50. I just want to show you that possible entries because it's trending. Euro's trending. The double top just got voided. It failed, and prices are higher. That means they want to push it higher. Let's get that out of there. And where the stops are located, ATR long. That's a stop level right there. Just want to show you something. Um, PSR long, parabolic SAR long. That's a level right here where stops are climbing up. And percentage long right here. So this area right here are where a bunch of stops are at. And Euro could possibly turn and get all these stops and maybe do a little final flush and continue going up to do wave 5. And that's just speculation. That's just what I could, what could possibly play out, but not necessarily that it's going to happen. And I think that's it. That's all I wanted to show you there. I think there's anything else. Hide all this. I wish this thing had a thing where it could just hide everything in one shot. And you can see on the bar swing, we consolidated all this, got the pop on the 17th, and we're going higher. So that's that. Dates that I have for a possible turn to the upside will probably be the 31st now from this swing low because we used all this. 9th was a really great one, a nice little cluster. 15 was good because it was a 50% between time and price, so that had a nice little flush down. And then the 31st and November the 1st, but we haven't gone to the November dates to watch, but October 31st and November 1st are the dates I'm looking for. Maybe the euro to possibly do the wave 5 and top out up there on that end. Let's look at the let's glance this chart. You can see that it's above the cloud, it's above the 20, the 50. The channel is pushing up. Everything is looking bullish. If we get closer and dissect resistance levels here, real close. This is a monthly Woody's pivot of that 37.58, and it's there now. Your other resistance will probably be R1, which would be the 37.98, and that's the weekly Woody's. And then you have R2, which is at 38.66, and then you got the monthlies Woody's, which is 38.95, which is R2 monthly. And then you have this angle right here, channel, linear regression channel, all the way up here, which would be 39.40. So, the euro could continue going up. It won't go straight up here, but, it'll just probably go like that. But these are just channels of resistance you could just keep an eye on. If we go to the weekly and kind of shrink this in a little bit and get a little closer here, you can see that you have this percentage of 38.52 right here. You got this Kumo cloud resistance level, which is 37.81, and it's a long one too. Then you have over here, which will be 38.07, and then you got this other long one right here, which is at 39.07. But this is probably, I think this is the longest one. Yeah, this one's the longest one right here, which is at 37.81. So that's where the euro's at. This is, you can see this is the Darvis box, so that was a pivot high and it flushed and pushed higher. And we're on the 6th candle on the weekly Tom DeMark indicator, and everything is looking bullish. The channel's going up. If it gets all the way up here, that could be a nice little area of resistance too. And the value area high will be up here, 40.63. And you can see on the market profile volume price action, 39.52, 65, 39.40 to 39.63. That's resistance right there. And on the monthly, you just blew right through into the Kumo cloud, and this would be your big level to watch, which is at 39.63. So there's a lot of it that relates, and you got the value area high up here, so this would be an interesting level. And you're already right here at the linear regression channel, the medium one. So right there will be 38.11. So those are key levels to watch. Let's look at the big picture real quick before time runs out, and you see what we got. I can tell you this much: it's very bullish. This is nice right here, all green. This is about to turn all green. You can see I had to do my daily, go into 2 years so I could get this level, which is at 39.71. So everything is looking good. Everything is to the upside. There's nothing here that I'm worried about. You just got the pop. Remember I've been telling you about that squeeze play on the monthly? that once you get the green and wants to explode, look at that. Just blew through that 50% level right here, which is at 37.07. So it could find this definitely a support. So everything is looking good to the upside. So kudos for those that have been long from September the 6th and July 9th. And I'm waiting for a pullback so I could get in and ride that last wave with you guys and recover some of my losses and then take it from there. So good trading for you guys today, and I'll keep you posted on what I see on the euro. Peace.